Thank you to invite us to be here. I'm Daniel Fuentes from Mexico. I'm the owner and the CEO of Control y Medición. I like, as I told you, it's portable, it's very small, it's very easy to use. The price, I have to say, is affordable. It's a very good price, very competitive price. In the future, I think it's going to be better than the other scanners in the market because it's small, it's easy to take, and easy to use. We have several partners that have a lot of time as well in the market, and the culture is the same. Always to offer the best, something that works in the time that I don't have to change every 6 months, every year, and an honest product, honest solution for the customer.